Hey guys, it's Kristen with I See Stars Quilting. I have a fun unboxing to share with you today. I have my box from Creative Notions, bag from Creative Notions, and I want to share with you the fun contents that I got inside, because this one, I peeked already, like I always do. I peeked already. It's a fun one. So let's get inside and let's see what is inside this bag. Hey, if we haven't met before, my name is Kristen. I run a blog, a website, and a YouTube channel on modern quilting. I share all my tips, tricks, and tutorials with you to make it easier for you to do what it is that you love. I share new videos every single week. So if you want all that goodness coming to you every single week, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and get the information that you need to make more joy in your life. Okay, diving in, Creative Notions is a subscription box and you can get it monthly delivered to your door, and every single one of them comes in these cute little bags. Okay, these are fabric bags. They have drawstrings. They always come with like a different pattern on the fabric every single month, and these cute little drawstrings, as well as the Creative Notions little tag right here. And I love to reuse these bags as gifts for every occasion. They're so much fun to reuse, and I love that you don't just have to throw away packaging all the time, right? This is what I was looking for. This is a little pamphlet that shares everything that's inside the bag. So this is the Christmas in July 2022 box, which means I'm guessing we're gonna get some fun fabric in here for Christmas. So the total for the bag that we're getting is $80, and we're getting 8 fat quarters, a kite ruler, a charm and label set, 12-inch zipper 5-pack, 2 block of the month patterns, and a pattern. The fabric that I have right here is called Peppermint Parlor, and it's by Danielle Leone for Wilmington Prints. So look how fun these are. Now, we have lots of like cute gingerbread things. We've got some snowflakes. We've got some plaid, because of course, Christmas plaid. More baked yummy things. Some beautiful striped. These are my favorite for bindings, okay? Especially these ones that go diagonal. I love these for bindings. And then we have some more goodies in here. Some beautiful little Christmas phrased ones. And then this last one is like black with candy canes and some holly leaves and lots of fun things on there. So very Christmassy, but kind of a, I'm gonna go with a modern but classic, comfortable Christmas. So very, very nostalgic feel, but with some modern colors and pops to it, because you got the blues, you got the greens, and the calming brown tones in there of baked goods. I don't know how to do this in order, so we're just gonna go here. So we got some cute little charms, we've got some cotton labels, and we've got some herringbone tape, which, by the way, this is not random. There are projects that these go to. So every time you get a Creative Notions box, you're not just getting a whole bunch of random stuff that you're gonna put in drawers and you're never, ever, ever gonna know what to do with again, but you're gonna hoard it because there might be a project one day, right? No, absolutely not. Here is the zipper pack that we got. There's 5 zippers in here, and they are 12 inches long. We got a white one, 2 red ones, and 2 black ones. And I'm getting to the point, here we go. This is what I was looking for. So this is a Christmas cookie throw and table topper. This is the pattern that we get. So like I was saying, you're not just getting a whole bunch of stuff to use, maybe never. You're actually getting a project to use. And that's why I love, love, love to show these Creative Notions boxes to you, because look how pretty that is. That is a gorgeous pattern. And not only do they give you, you know, what you can make with it, there's step-by-step, very clear, detailed instructions in this pattern. Now, let me show you the table topper. Okay, so again, kind of roughly, not exactly, but roughly the same idea as this one, right? Just a little bit different in terms of how you put it together. Okay, another thing that makes this box feel really personalized is readers can submit recipes. Okay, so we have a reader submitted recipe for a coconut blueberry cheesecake bar on these cute little note cards, and I save these. So I have like a whole bunch of really, really yummy recipes that I can go back to when it comes time to bake something and I don't know what to bake. I have all these fun little recipes. Most of the times, I'm not gonna lie, they're desserts because they're delicious, right? And desserts are like the best part of the meal. But there have been some good casserole recipes in there too, and different side dishes as well. We have another pattern option here for zipper pouches. And this is, holy cow, look at all of these different designs here. Okay, do you recognize this? This looks very similar to the pattern that I just showed you. So they're combining those skills, showing you how you can take that and not only make a quilt or a throw, not only make a table topper, but you can also turn it into a bag. This zipper pouch right here is actually really, really fun to make. I love, love, love this one. It's easy and it's fun. And on the back here, they have very detailed instructions, which, if you didn't notice, matches the fabric that we got. So all of this is very coordinated with the fabric. So you're seeing exactly what you're making. If you're one of those visual people that wants to know like what it is I'm making, I can't visualize it, I need to see it, this is a good project for you. We're also getting block of the month ones every single month. We're getting a new block of the month. So we have 2 different block of the months that we're getting this month. And we got some snacks. Pretzels are always good. Keep in my snack drawer. And then we got the kite ruler set, okay? Now, these rulers are amazing. If you've seen my other videos on Creative Notions, you know that I am kind of obsessed with their rulers. I love them. And they've been putting them in the boxes every single month. So you can very slowly, at like an affordable price, build up your ruler selection, okay? These are going to help you make these fancy blocks right here on the back with those specialty like points right there. These rulers are gonna be what you need to make those blocks. So this is a 9-inch kite ruler and a side triangle, and it makes 3 block sizes from these templates right here, okay? They're plastic, they're very clear so you can see your fabric beneath them, and the backs of them, see that like that green that goes around the back there? It's got almost like a sandpaper texture on the back, not really, really rough, but just something that keeps it nice and smooth and like steady on your fabric so it's not slipping while you're cutting. And I love that about these. So this is a box from Creative Notions. Again, if you're interested in getting this box, I love these people, okay? The company is really, really sweet. They're kind, they're helpful, they're very transparent with everything that's going on because the shipping status has been a little bit wonky. If you saw, this is the July box right now. And it's actually, what are we in now? We're in October. So the shipping things has just been kind of crazy, but I love that this company has been so kind in keeping us informed and keeping us up to date on, hey, this is not, you know, you haven't been forgotten. We've gotten extra stuff in our boxes to kind of make up for the time loss and all of that. So if you're interested in getting this box, make sure you look at the links down below this video and go ahead, go check out their site, go check out the other boxes. There's sometimes past boxes that you can like see before you get them, and you can go ahead and order and get all the goodies that's inside too. I hope that you've enjoyed this unboxing. I'm Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see when I post new content. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.